Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to automatically collect citation and reference data from OpenCitations using the OpenCitations Scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Appify or in the link down in the description. This is perfect for researchers, academics, and data scientists who want to analyze citation networks, track research impact, or build bibliometric datasets without writing any code. OpenCitations is one of the largest open databases of scholarly citation data. With this scraper, it can collect incoming citations to a paper, outgoing references from a paper, full citation relationships with open citation identifiers, and optional publication metadata like titles, authors, venues, and publishers. So, how does it work? To use the OpenCitations Scraper, you need only one identifier, a DOI, or a PubMed ID, or an OpenCitations Meta ID. And you can also choose whether you want citations or references. Here, I'm searching for incoming citations to a specific paper using its DOI. I've enabled metadata, so we also get titles, authors, journals, and publishers for each citing paper. I've enabled metadata, so we also get titles, authors, journals, and publishers for each citing paper. Once the input is set, you can either schedule it, according to any needs you have, or you can start it. Now we'll let the actor do its magic. When the run finishes, you'll get this dataset table in the Output tab. Each row represents a record, and each one includes the OCI, a unique identifier for the citation relationship, the citing publication and the cited publication, creation date and time span between publications, journal and author self-citation flags, and full bibliographic metadata when enabled. You can also download the data as a JSON, CSV, or Excel file, which makes it easy to analyze citation networks, measure influence, or build academic graphs. The OpenCitations Scraper. That's it. The OpenCitations Scraper lets you collect high-quality open citation data in minutes instead of hours. If you're doing bibliometric research or publication analysis, this tool can save you a massive amount of time. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you enjoy this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.